If you want a simple way to stay organized inside Evernote, then Evernote Tasks is one of the most useful features you can start using today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Evernote Tasks, how to create them inside your notes, how to add due dates, reminders, and how to view everything in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Evernote tips and productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote Web or the Evernote desktop app and go to the note where you want to add a task. One of the best things about Evernote Tasks is that tasks are tied directly to notes, which means you can keep your action items connected to the information they belong to. So instead of keeping your notes in one place and your to-dos somewhere else, you can manage both together. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the task to appear inside the note. This could be under a meeting note, inside a project note, or under a planning checklist. Once your cursor is in the right spot, look for the Insert menu or the plus button in the note editor. Click that, then choose Task. As soon as you do that, Evernote will create a new task block right inside the note. Next, type the name of your task. Keep it short, clear, and action-based. For example, instead of writing something vague like project, use something specific like send project update to team or review client notes. Clear task names make it much easier to stay organized and know exactly what needs to be done. After creating the task, you can start adding helpful details so the task becomes more useful and easier to manage. One of the first things you can add is a due date. Just click the calendar icon next to the task and choose the date and time you want. This is great for deadlines, follow-ups, and anything that needs to be done by a certain time. If your task needs to repeat, you can also turn it into a recurring task. That means you can set it to repeat weekly, monthly, or on another schedule depending on what you need. This is especially useful for habits, recurring check-ins, regular reports, and weekly planning tasks. Instead of recreating the same task over and over, Evernote can bring it back for you automatically. You can also mark a task as high priority by clicking the flag icon. In Evernote, priority helps you visually identify the most important tasks, so when you open your note or task list, you can quickly spot what needs attention first. If you're managing several deadlines at once, this little feature can make a big difference. Another powerful part of Evernote Tasks is reminders. You can set notifications so Evernote alerts you before the task is due. This is useful if you do not want to rely on memory alone. Reminders help you stay on track, especially when tasks are buried inside larger notes or project documents. If you work on multiple things at once, reminders can save you from missing important follow-ups. Now let's talk about where to find all your tasks. You do not need to open each note separately just to see what's coming up. Evernote gives you a central tasks view in the left-hand sidebar. Click Tasks there, and you'll open a master dashboard that displays all of your active tasks across your notes. This is one of the most helpful parts of the feature because it gives you a single place to review everything. Your tasks are usually sorted by due date, which makes it easy to see what's coming up next. If you've ever struggled with scattered to-do lists, this view helps bring everything together in one clean place. Even better, changes sync automatically between the task inside the note and the task's dashboard. So if you update a task in the note, it updates everywhere. And if you edit it from the tasks view, those changes are reflected back in the original note too. That means you do not have to worry about keeping two separate versions in sync. As you use Evernote Tasks more, try building a simple workflow. Create a note for a project, add tasks directly under the relevant sections, assign due dates, set reminders, and then check your tasks dashboard each day or each week. This makes Evernote much more than just a note app. It becomes a lightweight productivity system that keeps your notes and your action items connected. So to quickly recap, here's the basic process. Open a note, place your cursor, click Insert or the plus button, choose Task, type your task name, and then add due dates, recurring settings, priority, and reminders as needed. After that, use the Tasks sidebar to view and manage everything from one central place. If you found this Evernote tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more productivity software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.